everybody. He's a good fella. He's one of us. Understand? We're good fellas. Wise guys. But Jimmy because we had Irish blood. Sicilian.
Do you miss Dada?
Italian, so they can trace all your relatives back to the old country.
Do you miss Dada? Say Dada. Dada, don't go fishing.
As far as Jimmy was concerned, with Tommy being made, it was like we were all being made.
Give up.
We now have one of our own as a
Who's this?
This is Vinny.
Vinny, what happened? Did you get straightened out?
No, we had a problem. I mean, I tried to do everything we could. Well, you know what I mean. God. And we couldn't do nothing about it.
Piece of jewelry. And remember too, if you've never shopped with Victoria Wick, $17.99 brings it home. However, with 16 years here at HSN, I can guarantee you most of us jewelry lovers have shopped with her because, again, she is the prestige jeweler here at HSN. She doesn't copy design. She doesn't use the look of something that was seen on the runway. I remember when we were in Vegas, gosh, I can't even tell you how
I remember that, yeah.
it was
a few
so
years ago,
fun.
wasn't it?
It's got to be 7 years ago, because Buzzy said it.
Honey,
Probably
you're
more than
gonna
that.
have to come with me next time.
But I remember I would go to the most prestigious design houses in Vegas, and they were doing what Victoria had done 5 years before. And I was like,
And she goes, my mother does the same
she goes,
thing.
I know.
Do you know 1 year we went to the Trend
The heart, the little triple stone heart. I
Yeah.
remember them doing that.